Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to generate a system health report on your Windows performance. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type performance monitor guys. PRFORMANCE here performance monitor, open it. Now you just want to go to on left side performance down data collector set, expand it. After that you need to go to system, expand it. You need to system on right side, you need to click on system diagnostic and upwards arrow mark is here guys. Start the data collector set, click on it. Now it will start guys. Now after started this you need to go back again, this is backwards, click on it and now it's running guys. Now you need to select system performance and back again to start the data collector set, click on it. After that the system performance will be started guys. Go back again and this both of them running guys. Go back, close out of here. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.